Meaning of dilatory.
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 Dilatory. The term dilatory refers to causing or tending to delay or procrastinate. It is often used to describe a person or action that is slow, tardy, or hesitant in completing tasks or meeting deadlines. A dilatory attitude can result in missed opportunities, unfinished projects, and a lack of productivity. The repercussions of being dilatory can range from minor inconveniences to major setbacks. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the impact of procrastination and work towards being more efficient and timely in order to achieve success.